Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn on music haptics on iOS 18. And this is quite simple, so I will show you this as quick as possible. Alright, first go to settings. From here scroll down and go to accessibility. Then from here scroll down, and here's the option where it says music haptics. Then turn this option on, and right now it's available in the music app and on Shazam. Alright, if you want to make it easier for yourself, please swipe down from the right top to down, then scroll to the upper control panel, and then from here click on the plus icon left in the top. Now we want to add a control, and if you search for music haptics, just right here, we can add it just right here in our control panel, and if you click somewhere now, we just added it to our control panel. Alright, this is exactly how it works, and this was a little tip from me. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.